Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go over features of how to jump start your car, how to check your battery, how to change your battery in a GLK class. But number one, you might not be able to get into your vehicle because the battery's too dead. You've got the keys that look like this, and see these, you'd hit the unlock button, hit the unlock button and to unlock your vehicle, but if your battery's too dead, you hit that and it won't unlock it. So this has a feature on it for you to be able to get in there manually. So on the back of this, you push this little tab that way, and this is your emergency key. You pop this emergency key right out of the back here, and then this will be able to go into the driver's door and be able to unlock your door manually. Then that way you would get in the vehicle, and then you would find the hood latch, which is on your on the bottom side of the instrument cluster there. But you would find your hood latch, pull that, be able to pop the hood, and then get over to these features here. But that is the way you can get into your vehicle manually if this battery is dead, but also if this battery happens to be too dead that you can't unlock your cars. And then we have these two ports here, right? One's your negative port and one's your positive port, to be able to hook a jumper pack to it and or a jumper cable if you've got a buddy to come over and help you out, right? So we push this red tab that way, and that gives us access to this middle tab, and then we've got this tab over here for your negative to go on, right? So got your jumper cables hooked to another car, or vice versa. We just want to make sure we don't short them. We're going to make sure the positive, or red is always positive. We're going to make sure that the positive goes to the red side, and we see red and red to red, and then we do our black to black, right? This is the ground, this is the positive. We hook these together, and then we have them hooked to the other vehicle, make sure those are on the positive side and the negative side, that you don't short them. Because if you short them, then we could have a bad day, right? But we do that, go ahead and let it charge for a bit, and then try to start your car. You don't generally want to start your car immediately because you're going to overwork the alternator. But we would want to charge it for a good 10-15 minutes via the other vehicle or a jump pack, and then start your car. But say we've done that, we've hooked these up, we've tried, and it won't start at all. Maybe the battery is just dead and holds no power, right?